Hi, I would like to introduce the Rotary R146RP tabletop swing arm tire changer that's equipped with a left-hand assist. It has an external clamping range of 10 to 26 inches, an internal clamping range of 12 to 28. It'll handle a 15-inch wide wheel and up to a 45-inch diameter tire. Now we'll go ahead and we'll do a reverse mount wheel. The first thing we want to do is put our plastic jaw protection on, which will protect the finish and the face of that wheel as we set it down here. So we'll go ahead and slide those on. There we go. So we're good there. Now we'll grab our wheel and tire and we'll go through our bead braking procedure here. All right, and again, this is a reverse mount wheel, so we're gonna do this one with the face down. Now, sometimes with these lower profile tires, it's hard to get your tire and wheel to stay separated to get grip with your jaws. That's another feature of this. You can use it to push down on the wheel so we can get our jaws to grab evenly all the way around. All right, and again, this is a pretty low profile tire, so it's kind of started to seat itself back up. So I want to get this well lubricated. I'm gonna use this to push me down here. All right, there we go. All right, so now we'll rotate. So we've got an open spot between our tire and our wheel. We'll go ahead and position our tool. Make sure we use our adjustment knob. I'm gonna get my bar in here for my first bead. And as you can see, even though it's lubed, it kind of stays seated. So I'll use this to get me in the drop center, which will give me the flexibility to pull my tire over. And then we can start to rotate to get this first bead off. All right, so now I'll bring my second bead up. This one's a lot easier to keep in position. All right, we've got our tire off. Our head's already set in position, so we don't have to move that. We've got our new tire. We'll go ahead and lube this up. Get this up in position here. We'll do our first bead. There we go. And we'll kind of mind where we're at. All right, to keep this below that mount head, we'll go ahead and use our press arm. We'll start to rotate. If I have some concerns with this staying underneath there, I might need to use my bar for an extra bead pressing point. Here we go. So we're all seated up. Now this is a reverse mount wheel, so it's hard to get to your valve stem. So I'm gonna go ahead and unclamp this, and then I'll flip it over. And I'll inflate it from the front side. And that's how easy it is to change a reverse mount tire with the Rotary R146RP tabletop swing arm with the included left-hand assist.